I'm going to show you how to make this ring using 26 gauge wire and 5 moonstones, rondels. What I've got here is 30 inches of dead soft wire that's gold filled. I happen to have found something that you can use a marker Sharpie that's the same size approximately that my fingers. Make sure you get something slightly larger because as you build more wire, this, depending on how much wire you want to use, the circumference gets smaller. So what I do is I'm going to leave enough room for wire wrapping the outer edge from this wire, and I'm going to do 5 times. You can, if you decide to use thinner wire or you want the band to be thinner, do fewer, but if you want it thicker, make sure you have enough length. So it's approximately 5. I'm going to tighten it, and then I'm going to move that. So I have something like this, and I'm happy with it. I've gathered all the wires. Then what I do is I'm going to hold on to this. Make sure it's all there. Hold on to it, crimp it down, hold it flat, and I'm good there. Tight. And what you want to do is you want the wires to move back towards the center because you're going to tuck it in later, and I'll explain that. And on the other hand, I'm going to thread on the other side. Please. Then I'm going to, it's approximately here. And I think I want it like that. So then what I do is hold on to that end. And this will take, you can't hurry this part. You're gonna have to wrap it. You want it tight and tucked. Once that is set, once you figured out this is where you want it, this, then you wrap backwards each time tightly. You have to adjust, you have to pull tightly. It's okay that it puffs up a little bit because it gives a bit of room. You cannot have it too tight because you're going to do crisscrosses. Now, using this side, I'm going to now cut this here. Because there's a bit of sharp edge, we want to flatten it. Make sure it's tucked in, and then have this wire wrap over it so that you're not going to get any sort of scratching from that loose wire. And just naturally, it will do the V shape. Make sure you leave enough room and enough wire so that I want this part to have enough gold wire. So I wrap it around a few times and know where I'm going to end off. When I end it off on this side, say, I'm going to wrap and tuck in the wire. Bend it and tuck the wire into the mass of wire there. And there you have it.